Hello, welcome to Growsoft. In this video we are going to send SMS from bulksms.growsoft.in. Open your browser and type website bulksms.growsoft.in. Here you will see a login page. Enter the demo username and password as mentioned in the description or in the demo account you have received. Then click on Sign In, then you will see a security question, enter the answer, and click on Submit. The dashboard will open. In the left hand, you will see SMS, drag your cursor, and a submenu will be opened, then click on Send SMS. Then Send SMS page will open. The message channel will be transactional, that means open DND. Your messages will be delivered on both DND and non-DND numbers. The message channel will be high speed. This is a demo, so you can't use your sender ID here. After you purchase you will be able to send SMS from your 6-digit sender ID. Scroll down, and you will see Number section. Here you can enter your 10 digits number. Then, in the message text section, enter your message, and click on Send Now. Once you click on Send Now, you will see a delivery report. That's it, your message is delivered. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, you can contact us. Have a nice day.